All right, guys, so first we're doing is we're taking off the old shoes. These have been on here for a while. Bolts are just breaking off with a little bit of heat from the impact. So we're gonna keep going down. Enjoy the ride. Now, these holes are left blank. They're gonna line up here with the blacks. Now, that's how I would do it if you're doing it for one person, don't have help. Just lock on your one piece so it doesn't fall on you. Washer, nut, super simple. Again, washer, but I'm gonna put this back one on, washer, nut. This doesn't hold anything. That leaves me one more spot. So to secure it to your bracket, you can use this black bolt right here. There's one on the end. You could do this one right here if you wanted to. And then from here, you just place and play.